Hello, my name is Sergio with Metro Design, and screencast I'm going to show you three things that you can do today to help bring more customers to your business. Word of mouth painting. Now, Joe is the owner of the agency, but I'll be guiding you on how we will work together to grow your clientele. And if you would like to give any feedback after listening to this information I'll be providing, I will gladly receive it with open arms, and I'll be thankful in advance. Now, usually the first question with business owners is usually along the lines of why you should do this. Well, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most local owners are too busy to run their business, learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Sometimes the only hesitation that they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I found that giving people an easy attack plan of things that they can do to impact the business for free has resulted in local owners still raising their hands and saying, "I like you, can you please do this for me?" So if by the end of the video you like what you heard, you can see skills out to help your business grow and land more customers, shoot me a message back and we can chat. Or if you simply want to take this free attack plan and try it out yourself, that works for me too. Now before you try to do it yourself, let me show you three things that will set your company above your local competition. The first thing I want to go over is your content. Now, in order for your business to be optimized, Google your landing page, aka homepage, needs at least 1,500 words to fill the keywords. Since you don't have an operational site, I'll be going over one of your competitors in the meantime. Green Valley Painting. So, in comparison to Green Valley Painting, your competitor, they have about 253 words to fill the keyword-rich content. Now, this is still very beatable. This just shows how rich keyword content is such a powerhouse of authority for Google. And every month, people are searching for these certain keywords a number of times, which you missed out on not being number one. So you can see when I pull up this tool called Ahrefs, you can see what a site is actually ranking for. And you can see Green Valley Painting. It has 456 backlinks, 104 referring domains, 159 organic words, which is bringing in a total of 36 people per month to his website. So digging in a little bit deeper to the keywords, we're talking about content. So these are the keywords that his content is ranking for currently. So you have volume, KD, cost per click, traffic, and position. So all of these rely on the keyword, and the keyword relies on all of these. So volume is the amount of searches this keyword gets per month, and KD is how hard this keyword is to rank in Google. It's on a scale of 0 to 100. Now, traffic relies on position. Therefore, if you're in the first position, you're going to get the most traffic out of the 60 volume. Second position, you get a percentage of the 60 volume that the first did not get, and so on and so on. The further down you go, the less traffic you get from the keyword. So now that you know a little bit about what goes into a keyword, I'm going to go into the next optimization section, which is Google Maps or Maps. So this is the next optimization section, right? So you can see when I click on View All, and you can see the business name, business address, and business phone number, aka NAPS, name, address, phone number. This is for a Google search of painting services in Vallejo, California. So now you're probably wondering, well, how do you rank on Maps? Well, to answer your question, I already did a search for Green Valley Painting, and this is how many citation sources that this site is getting or receiving from Google. Therefore, if you scroll down, you can see every single site of which his citation or his business is listed on. You can take every single one. So you can see that not all 40 are listed down here, because some of these sites that he listed, that it's counting as a citation, but it's not really counting as a citation from Google. Therefore, it's not being listed as a credible source. So in order to beat out your competition, you need at least double to triple the amount of citation sources your competitor has. So therefore, you need 80 to 120, even to 100. So these citations, aka NAPs, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, Red Book, CityStar, so on and so on. Even Facebook has an area to where you can submit a citation. So now you know a little bit about what goes into a citation and what it does for your rank in Google Maps, besides reviews, of course, because reviews do a big play in ranking you in Google Maps, of course. The next thing I want to go over with you is another important aspect of Google, and we call this thing your site authority, link juice. So you see I did a search for painting services in Vallejo, and I scroll down, you find the first local business, which would be Green Valley Painting or MD's Quality Painting, correct? Now this is where you want to be, and to get there you need to be out the competition in every aspect. So this link juice simply works like this. Site A is pointing to site B, therefore site A is acting like link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes. Almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites linking back at you. For example, if you were to have MD's Quality Painting or Greens Valley Painting Incorporated linking back at you, it'd be a lot more effective than like a pizza linking back to you because you don't sling pizza for a living. So I'm going to go back to this tool called Ahrefs, and I pay about $100 a month. It's great for checking out any link juice that sites may have to offer, and of course organic keywords and referring domains. Right now we're going to go to the backlinks or link juice. So you see that this site has about 454 backlinks linking back to them from different sites. You can see the domain rating, URL rating, and you can scroll down, take every single one of these and make them real. And on to the next website that you want to take backlinks from, and just keep going until you have more backlinks than any of your competitors. And this is how you rank on Google. This is how your site gets authority and beats anyone in your local area. So therefore, the 3 things we went over today was content, citations, and backlinks. So for your content, you want at least 1,500 words for the keywords on your homepage, and your service page or location page, you want at least 500 words. Any contact page or about page, at least 250. That'll get you fully optimized with Google. And for your citations, you want at least 100 to 200 citation sources so you can be at any competition in your local area. I'll always get those reviews on Google. Those help also. And your link juice, you need more relevant sites pointing you guys to show Google your authority. So you see you might have 454, but if you start getting backlinks that are more towards painting and higher domain ratings and URL ratings, then you will outrank this dude even with less backlinks. But more backlinks, of course, are very good to Google. And if you implement these strategies today, you can be #1 across Google. So I bet you're wondering what now? Well, you can either go with this information I provide you today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route, want to save yourself time, give me a call at 515-468-3039. Once again, my name is Sergio. My number is 515-468-3039. I look forward to hearing from you, and you have a great one.